Hey folks, it's Nathan from Erie Toyota, standing here with this brand new 2026 Toyota Rav4 XSE. This is actually the very first time one of these have arrived on our lot available for sale, which means I was actually allowed to drive it. If a car is sold, I'm not actually allowed to run up the kilometers on it, so I was actually able to take this bad boy out on the road and highlight some of the active driving features that comes with these. As standard in all of the new Ravs, there is the Safety Sense 4.0, and I just wanted to highlight some of those features. So come on, drive with me and let me show you how it works. So now that we're out going for our first drive in the new Rav, I gotta say it is really quite a quiet ride. I know one of the more common complaints about the previous gen Rav4 was that it was relatively loud, especially when accelerating, but let's give that a bit of a test now. So I'm merging onto the highway now, doing some hard acceleration, and I can definitely still hear the engine, but it is far from a loud acceleration. I think that's one of the things that they worked on with the update between the 4th and 5th gen of the hybrid system. Definitely a lot more pickup from the hybrid system itself, and the engine really isn't working very hard. I find that quite pleasant. One of those other things that they did upgrade in this car as well is all of the safety features. So this is now the Safety Sense 4.0 is what they're calling it. So it does have a new system for the adaptive cruise control, lane centering, and a few other functions like that. I'm just gonna pop it up to a nice comfortable 110, and let's see how it is there. Just gonna merge in a lane. Yeah, so it's doing a pretty darn good job of maintaining my position in the middle of the lane. This is actually a very comfortable thing here, and I haven't played with it with a car in front of me yet, but we'll get there in a moment. Let's cut off for a second. So I just wanted to highlight how the adaptive cruise function works. I have it set up to 120 here, and I positioned myself intentionally so that way I could feel that fella merging in front of me. It did a pretty darn good job of recognizing the vehicle was there. It slowed me down quite smoothly as well. Not a very jerky response. It's something that I really quite like. I also have the ability to adjust my adaptive cruise just with this button here, and I do have a nice little graphic up on the gauge cluster for me to visualize what's going on. And it also actually, something I really do quite like if you want to bring the camera on in there, is it shows you where the vehicles that are around it are and which vehicles it is acknowledged where they are. So it really is quite good in that regard. So something I actually really do like about the updated system, actually, and it has to do with our interface over here, is there's an awful lot of things in this car that can ding, buzz, vibrate, you know, like things that will help you drive. And it is incredibly easy to adjust those things on the fly. If anything is particularly annoying to you or you want to kind of tune it more to your preferences, it is just that easy. In fact, I did all of that adjustment there without even taking my eyes off the road. Pretty darn cool. So I guess the last few things that are part of the Safety Sense 4.0 that I haven't actually talked about, things like the pre-collision avoidance, the automatic high beams, things like that, are pretty darn hard for me to display while we're out on a casual test drive. Of course, I'm not going to go and intentionally test the emergency braking on this car because, well, hopefully we're going to be selling it to somebody quite soon and it'll be going home, and I don't want to put it at harm's length. So now that we're back from our test drive, that's about all I have to say about the driving of this vehicle as well. There is so much more to learn about these cars, so stay tuned, subscribe, like, and also if you have any ideas for future videos, drop them in the comments so I know what to make. See you on the next one. Take care.